The king entrusted the role of protector to you.
Entrusted it to me. Why didn't he tell me that? Why did he stand there smiling as I left? Why?
Hear you tell me I'm not a fake. That I'm the real me. I'm sorry. Don't be. Everything's alright now.
You are king. One cannot lead by standing still. King pushes onward always, accepting the consequences and never looking back.
I've served as your shield through thick and thin. No matter what, I've got your back. Now and always.
Well, what can I say? You guys are the best.